Okay, so the next little video here, I got the thickness planer here, and I'm just going to plane the end top of the wood. Excuse me. Plane this down to this size, and at the end get them all the same thickness. Have them all exactly the same thickness. So I'll do this pass with this real quick and get a board straightened out maybe. As always, gotta have my dust collector. Time with these things. You see that first pass really didn't cut much, so I'll crank it down until I get them all starting to cut on the top. So I want to keep this video a little short. I might even try to cut some out. But these two boards are pretty flat. Looks kind of flat like I need them. The other two have some spots on the edges that still need to be cut out. So I'm going to keep cutting them all the same, so I have them all the same thickness when I'm done. Now I thought I had 5 of these boards, so I got to make, before I do the final cuts on these, see if I could set one somewhere and didn't know about it, or if these 4 are going to be enough. So I'll see you in the next segment.